Hey y'all, this here's the Papaw. I've got another animated theme revived, and this one here is called Toy Story. I've been going through these old skins that I done a few years back, and I'm trying to revive them to where they'll run with PSMC version 21 or Kodi. Here I'm going to go ahead and install the theme. It's pretty simple. It's in the PSMC repo. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time talking on this particular video. I've spent more time with some of the others I've uploaded, so you can always go back and watch them. For example, how to enable the skin sounds, or how to do widgets, etc. Because all these animated themes are pretty much the same. So here I'm adding sounds, the GUI sounds that I made for the skin. And you got to keep in mind, these were made for kids and children, so they can kind of get annoying at some time.
Mayday! Mayday! You're mocking me, aren't you? 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 You're mocking me, aren't you?
Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, 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 no. Yeah, sure, you go ahead. Oh no, 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 no. Yeah, sure, you go ahead.
Mayday!
Oh no, 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 no. Yeah, sure, you go ahead.
Mayday! You're mocking me, aren't you?
Yeah, sure, you go ahead. Oh no, no. Yeah, sure, you go ahead.
Mayday!
Oh no, 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 no. Yeah, sure, you go ahead. Yeah, sure, you go ahead.
I'll just show a quick sample of what they sound like. Well, anytime you install one of my animated skins, after you've done so, you need to exit out of PSMC or Kodi and enter back in, and that enables the animations to begin working.
Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, 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 no. Yeah, sure, you go ahead. Oh no, 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 no. Yeah, sure, you go ahead. Oh no, no, no. Yeah, sure, you go ahead. Yeah.
And we'll change them back. I usually just turn them off and use something a little more easy to the ears for adults.
Have one last thing. If I
I'm not going to do a whole lot more talking on this particular video. You can go check out the animated Sylvo theme or the Batman theme or one of the other animated themes that I've done. And they have a lot more information in them as far as how to activate the sounds or how to set up widgets. So just sit back, enjoy the rest of the video. Well, that's about it for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share the video. Spread the word. Comments, questions, and suggestions are always welcome below. If you have a minute, make sure to check out the Buy Me a Coffee page for all the latest updates and information on how to gain access to exclusive content to both the PSGC and the PSMC collections. And while you're there, maybe you'll buy me a cup of coffee, or maybe become a member. Or maybe you'd rather make a donation through PayPal. By the way, just so you know, all the donations are used for my grandson's college fund. Well, anyways, thank you for watching, everyone. Spread the word, share the video for us. Y'all have a great day now. You hear?